Hey guys, what's happening to Ayala Corp? What should you do if you own the stock? Are the fundamentals changing? Check this video out. Hey guys, this is Marvin Germo. I'm still here in San Francisco. At my back is the Golden Gate Bridge. I've been getting a lot of questions on Ayala Corp because the stock is down. The stock hasn't really gone anywhere over the past few weeks. With Ayala Land pushing, breaking past 45 and it breaking past going to around the 47 levels. Why is Ayala Corp down even if Ayala Land is up? Please remember this. Number one, Ayala Corp isn't just Ayala Land. You have to remember Manila Water has broken down because of all of its issues as well. So Manila Water is placing a lower weighting on it. Second is Globe. Globe came from 2-3. Now, if you plot the chart for Globe, it has broken its uptrend, meaning the stock is also showing signs that it's actually reversing from an uptrend into maybe a sideways market, or what's worse, it could go down into a downtrend. So with that being said, let's look at the chart of Ayala Corporation. Looking at the chart, you have all of the moving averages, short, mid, and long term, which are bearish. That's why, you know my goal, every time I plot charts to all of you, my goal is not to guess where the market is headed. My goal is not to guess where the stock is headed as well. My goal only is to base it on what the charts are telling me. And the charts are telling me this. Number one, short, mid, and long-term moving averages are bearish. Number two, all of those moving averages, Ayala Corp has broken past it downward, meaning there's downward momentum in the stock, meaning there's downward pressure for the stock, meaning sellers are in control for the stock as well. What does that mean? If you want to buy the stock right now and you are basing it purely on technical analysis, it may not be a good time to buy yet because the trend is not yet on your favor, because the market is still bearish for the short, mid, and long term. From a price movement standpoint, you can expect the market to go low, or Ayala Corp to go to around 860 pesos for the short term. And I'll just update you over the next few days should it go lower than that, because you have support at around 860. If it bounces off of that, you may expect short term 860 bounce. It could go to around 900, which is where the previous support is. You have to remember, when the support is broken, it becomes a new resistance. So that being said, as 900 is not broken, if 900 is down the new resistance, and the selling continues, it may go to around 860 for the short term. That being said, let's watch and I'll update you if 860 will hold. If it does not hold, we may be in for a longer and stronger movement downward. I'll keep you updated if it happens, if it pushes through, and what would possibly happen over the next few days. Now, since the fundamentals of Ayala Corporation is still amazing, if you are an investor, one of your triggers is possibly this. Since the company is still good, the company is still growing, please remember it's emerging areas, its emerging businesses are closely related to construction and energy, which is a growth sector for them. It could be an opportunity for you that as it goes lower, you get to buy them at a cheaper price as well. But if you are an investor, please remember, if you buy a stock as an investor, while it's bearish, you get it cheaper. But the trade-off is you don't know how far the drop will be, and you don't know how long will it be bearish. So if your narrative is that as long as it has dividends and as long as you get it cheaper, the upside later on, if you're doing it for the long term, that will be your payoff. But as of now, as over the next few weeks and months, until it reverses and it becomes bullish once again, you can't really expect it to go higher. Next, should you be concerned that Ayala Corp is down? Should you be scared that it's down? Please remember, Ayala Corp is an amazing company. It's run by great people. It has amazing governance. So tips for this, if you are an investor, should allow you to buy the stock cheaper. Nothing has changed fundamentally with the stock. This company is still amazing. Their prospects are still rosy. So what does that mean for you? If you're an investor, lower prices allow you to come in at a better price as well. If you're a trader, the stock is bearish. Stay away first. Wait for it until it comes to your favor. Wait for it until things get better. That's when you start coming in. Don't worry, I'll keep you updated if there's any changes in the technicals as well. Because the heart and the goal and the narrative of videos that I've been doing This will just help you so you get to be updated and you get to trade the markets with confidence. Because at the end of the day, winning in the market is all about confidence. It's about building a strategy that will allow you to win regardless of what you see and regardless of how emotional people are. Because the less emotions you put into your trades, the more you win. The more you use technicals on your trades, the more specific you are on how your parameters will be. It will allow you to be able to trade there regardless of where you are in the world, regardless of what market you're trading. And it will allow you, because you have to remember this. I spend more time analyzing my stocks, but it doesn't take a long time. It doesn't take hours and hours and hours. But I spend more time studying, analyzing, and building my strategy. And I spend less time monitoring. Because if you build your strategy, deploy capital, and you win, you don't have to watch your stocks every day. And that allows me that even if I'm here in San Francisco, I get to trade the markets. And I'll tell you this, the market is one of the greatest ways for you to make money in perpetuity. So that's it for now. Marvin Germo from San Francisco. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you.